Today we're at the Cheshire Police Tactical Training Centre. Our students have been learning about public order offences and the sliding scale from a breach of the peace up to and including riot. Today our students are going to experience public order offences from a different side of the paradigm. So our colleagues and partners in Cheshire Police have been doing refresher training for their public order duties, and our students are here today to act as protesters to test the Cheshire Police tactics. So hopefully they'll have an enjoyable day and they'll be able to experience public order from a different side of the perspective. So I think it probably will be a challenging day for them. It's physical, so they'll be playing the role of football protesters first.
So basically we've got two sets of fans. We've got the Crew Alex home fans that are around the corner here, and we've got our Port Vale away fans over here, and there was a lot of disorder. So we've got cops here to find out what their intention is towards the game, where they're going to go, what pubs they might be drinking in, etc. before coming to the match. And the intention is to get the police officers to escort these away fans all the way up to the ground, where they're going to come into some conflict basically with their home fans. They'll always test the patience of the cops and stuff, and here we've got the cops coming in now.
There may well be some surprises midway through the exercise just to keep the interest up, and then in a subsequent scenario there'll be just stop oil protesters or similar, and they'll be throwing objects at the police shields.
How's it going, Zach?
Oh, it's going great. Loving the blast.
How's it going? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, a lot.
The students have thoroughly enjoyed participating. They've learnt about the legislation about public order and how operational police officers deal with public order situations, some of the tactics that the team have used in trying to coordinate and keep control of situations of public order.